From VOA Learning English, this is the Science Report. February 2016 is the warmest February on record, according to data released by NASA. Worldwide surface temperatures were 1.35 degrees Celsius warmer than average. That broke the record set in January, which was 1.15 degrees Celsius above average. Monthly temperatures were compared in the base years between 1951 and 1980. Some climate scientists were surprised by the extent of the warming. Jeff Masters and Bob Hansen from the website wonderground.com say the findings are a true shocker. They say it is another reminder of the continuing rise in the world's temperatures resulting from human-produced greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases trap heat in the Earth's atmospheres. They are gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor. Climate expert Paul Knappenberger says the weather, even El Nino, is also to blame for this year's high temperatures. El Nino is the result of a bench of warm water in the tropical Pacific Ocean. When the heat from that water is released, the Earth's temperatures goes up. Knappenberger says the combination of greenhouse gases and the El Nino causes a slow rise in the Earth's overall temperature as short-term rises and falls take place. He adds that after an El Nino, there are often La Nina events. He said this can lead to cooler than normal weather conditions. El Nino and La Nina can shift back and forth every 2 to 7 years, causing extreme weather. For VOA Learning English, I'm Steve.